Hi, I'm John Stevenson, and today I will be reviewing the ME5 Moisture Encounter by TRAMEX and its uses in the plumbing and mitigation fields. Now, the main difference between the ME5 meter and its slightly older version, the Moisture Encounter Plus, is the two additional meter settings. As you can see, the older version has the three: the wood timber, drywall roofing, and plaster and brick. The new ME5 meter has an additional shallow depth setting and a masonry setting. The ME5 meter also has a Bluetooth option to record the moisture directly to your phone or tablet for easy transfer to report for customers and insurance adjusters. Here we can show you here on this phone. Go right to the TRAMEX meter setting, turn it on, continue, and we have real-time moisture, which we can screenshot and put that on reports. Obviously, there's no moisture on this table, but as you can see, I'm switching through the settings and it's going directly onto the phone. The following clips are a demonstration of this meter's use in the residential and commercial settings. Here is another example of a property that's been destroyed, water damage. We had a leak on our drain line right here. Leaked onto the slab where it enters the slab and caused the carpets to all get wet here. So the benefit of the ME5 moisture meter, we can still see where it is still wet and where it's dry. It's still wet here, so we're gonna have to cut that open. Another benefit is we have shallow depth, which gives the surface area, which is completely dry. For example, where the ME5 meter can help with determining a leak under tile. So here, as you can see, our moisture is low in this area. Low. We have damage downstairs. There. Coming right from the wax drain. Found our culprit. So one thing I like in particular about this meter is the shallow depth setting, which can be used on drywall, stone, even carpet. In this case, it's using different pads, and instead of penetrating to find the moisture inside of something, it's just doing the top, which in this case I can use for carpet here, where we are completely dry over here, and over here we're getting moisture, as you can see with the staining. But it's nice where you can kind of see the extent of the traveling moisture. In this case, we are doing a master bathroom shower inspection. We're going to see where this moisture is coming out of the shower. So here we are, yet another water damage from a bathroom shower. Before any testing done, you see the contractor already removed the wall thinking it was the plumbing. What I like to do is take this meter here, I'll turn it on, put down to masonry, plaster and tile. And as you can see, it's already getting us in the area of where that leak is coming from. Not even testing anything. That is an awesome benefit of this meter here. There's Walls do not need to be torn up. Completely non-invasive. You pretty much already know where the water is coming from. So as you can see in those last few clips, this meter is very versatile. It comes in handy with kitchen leaks, bathroom leaks, and leaks behind walls. For more information, visit tramexmeters.com for pricing, and thank you guys for watching.